Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: how does a higher literacy rate in a state typically influence its economic development compared to states with lower literacy? Answer B. It boosts productivity and innovation. Question: when comparing states with similar literacy rates, what other factor most significantly affects their Human Development Index? Answer B. Health infrastructure. Question: why might a state with a high literacy rate still face challenges in employment generation? Answer A. Literacy does not guarantee skill relevance. Question: which of the following best explains why female literacy rates are crucial for overall social development? Answer B. They improve child health and education. Question: if two states have similar literacy rates but different GDP per capita, what could explain this discrepancy? Answer A. Differences in natural resource availability. Question: how does adult literacy impact democratic participation in Indian states? Answer C. It increases informed voting and civic engagement. Question: which policy approach is most effective for improving literacy in tribal-dominated states? Answer B. Multilingual and culturally sensitive education. Question: why might states with high literacy rates still struggle with gender disparity in education? Answer B. Cultural and social norms limit female education. Question: what role does primary education quality play in sustaining high literacy rates? Answer B. It ensures students remain literate and progress academically. Question: how can literacy rates influence migration patterns within India? Answer A. Higher literacy states attract skilled labor. Question: which factor best explains why Kerala has maintained one of the highest literacy rates in India? Answer B. Strong social reform movements and public education focus. Question: how does literacy rate correlate with infant mortality rate in Indian states? Answer A. Higher literacy generally correlates with lower infant mortality. Question: what is a conceptual reason for states with high literacy rates also showing higher political awareness? Answer A. Literacy improves access to information and critical thinking. Question: how can disparities in literacy rates between rural and urban areas in a state affect its overall development? Answer B. It leads to uneven development and social inequality. Question: why might a state with a high literacy rate still face challenges in technological adoption? Answer A. Literacy does not imply digital literacy or technical skills. Question: in the context of literacy and employment, why is vocational education important alongside basic literacy? Answer B. It equips individuals with job-specific skills enhancing employability. Question: how does the literacy rate impact women's participation in the workforce in Indian states? Answer A. Higher literacy correlates with greater female workforce participation. Question: which of the following best describes the relationship between literacy rate and poverty reduction? Answer B. Higher literacy enables better economic opportunities, reducing poverty. Question: why is it important to consider both literacy rate and quality of education when assessing a state's development? Answer A. Literacy rate alone may not reflect actual learning outcomes. Question: how can migration affect literacy statistics in states? Answer B. Influx of literate migrants can raise literacy rates. Question: why might a state's literacy rate improve significantly without a corresponding increase in employment? Answer A. Literacy improvements may precede economic development. Question: how does multilingual education impact literacy rates in linguistically diverse states? Answer B. It supports better literacy by accommodating mother tongues. Question: which factor is least likely to directly affect a state's literacy rate? Answer D. Climate. Question: how can literacy rates influence the effectiveness of government welfare schemes? Answer A. Literate populations better understand and utilize schemes. Question: why is early childhood education critical in improving literacy rates? Answer B. It lays foundational skills necessary for lifelong learning. Question: what is the impact of gender disparity in literacy on a state's demographic trends? Answer B. It can affect fertility rates and population growth. Question: how does literacy contribute to environmental awareness and sustainability? Answer B. Literate populations better understand and act on environmental issues. Question: why might literacy rates stagnate in some states despite government efforts? Answer A. Poor implementation and socio-cultural barriers. Question: how does urbanization interact with literacy rates in Indian states? Answer A. Urbanization generally supports higher literacy due to better access to education. Question: what role does community participation play in improving literacy rates? Answer B. Active community involvement supports sustained literacy improvements. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.